Meaning of fluid ounce.
Fluid ounce.
Fluid ounce.
Fluid ounce.
Fluid ounce. A fluid ounce is a unit of measurement for volume commonly used in the United States and other countries. 1 fluid ounce is equivalent to approximately 29.57 milliliters or 0.03 liters. This unit is often used to measure liquids, such as water or milk, in recipes, food labels, and beverage containers. It is important to note that a fluid ounce is not the same as an ounce used for measuring weight. Knowing the conversion rate between fluid ounces and other units of volume can be helpful when cooking or preparing drinks.